Hey, mommy. Oh, morning? Breakfast? Coffee? Okay. May I see? Okay. Biscuit? Do you have work today? No. What? What are you doing?
Nothing.
No.
Free time.
Okay. And I miss you, love.
Really?
You're so cute.
Thank you. Thank you.
You understand? Okay. Make your smile. Can I see your smile? Wow. I'm work today,
Yeah.
but I can talk. It's you. You're so handsome today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey,
Okay. Coffee? Tea? Tea?
tea.
Macy?
Tea.
Macy? Macy? Macy or coffee? Oh. Okay. Your breakfast is biscuit and coffee?
Tea.
Ah, tea. It tastes good. Not busy today.
Huh?
No. Okay. I like your hair.
Thank you.
It's nice to see. You're handsome, your hair.
Thank you.
Happy to see your eyes. Your eyes. It's
Same.
beautiful.
Can I see you?
It looks great. You look great. Stand up. You stand up. Can I see you?
I am.
Stand up.
Yeah.
Stand up. Up. Can I see your Can I see your overall? Can I
What?
see your overall? Can I see your overall? It looks great. I, I like your body. It looks great. You're so handsome and you look great. And at work today,
I am rest time.
rest
Holiday.
time, resting.
Yeah. Holiday. I.
I'm going to the salon today. I get haircut.
Ah.
I get cut my hair.
Why?
Understand? What?
I love
Can
you.
I? You love me? I love you so much. Okay, I'm going to the work now. See you. Bye. Bye. Love you. Bye.